DJ Delz.
Funko Pop Addicts, Super Bowl Sunday is approaching us, and what a great time, Funko Pop Addicts, to give you a detailed out-of-the-box look of Mr. Tom Brady of the Patriots. Bang that thumbs up button for that out-of-the-box look, and with that said, let's take him out of the box. There he is out of the box. Love the look with the Scully hat. He's got his paint under his eyes with the football in his hands. I know someone's going to crack a joke about that football too. I'm waiting to see in the comment box below. As much as he has such a huge following that just love Tom Brady, they're huge fans of him. There's so many that hate Tom Brady. They despise him. Are you one of the fans of football out there that hates Tom Brady, or do you love Tom Brady? Leave it in the comment box below. To me, he's the greatest. I don't mind if you have a different opinion, so leave it in the comment box below. Let me know what you think of the Patriots too. Look at his back with his jersey. There you go with a close-up HD look. Let me know your predictions for Super Bowl Sunday. Is Tom Brady going to get his 6th ring? Or nah, not happening. Leave that in the comment box below. I want to know your predictions for Super Bowl Sunday. And if you haven't seen all of my reviews, I have tons of them. We reviewed all these pops here, like this one too. And I did a review on, one second, this one too, which is a real awesome gift to get to someone if you are looking for that for Valentine's Day. So many reviews here at the Delz Show, and I will have information on a lot of these pops in the description box below, along with a ton of others that I think you're going to want to be looking to pick up. There's tons of new WWE Funko Pops available for pre-order also. There's just a whole bunch I've listed in the description box for your convenience. Thanks for tuning in. If you didn't leave a comment, you got nothing to say, right? I love Funko, write something. It helps the channel so much, and along with banging that thumbs up button, YouTube gathers all that information. They'll recommend my channel to more viewers. So thank you for everyone that's showing that love. Do it for the love of Funko Pop collecting. And I have a podcast. If you want to check it out, it's over at patreon.com/DJ Delz. I got my t-shirts. All that will be linked in the description box below. Much love. Everyone have a great Super Bowl Sunday. Don't drink and drive, please. Do not drink and drive. There's no reason not to call Uber or whatever you like using. There's tons of other companies now. I was wrong with Uber though. Don't drink and drive. Be safe out there. And I'll catch you guys with a new video really soon.